want it work to do the bearings in, it would come down, it would heat it up and cool it at the same time, right below the one that was under.
But see, that's light red, but it's actually,
the same
thing that is meant to heat up. That's why. So that's why it's so hot. So, well, I mean, you don't have any residual fire. There's not, this is not hot. It's not hot. You know.
Is it magnetic, like a reversal of the magnetic over and over and over? The way that
Basically, as I understand it, it's exciting the molecules inside the steel, and I would, although it's not the same as creating the friction when you hit a piece of steel hard enough to where you can actually make it hot, but it's on that order.
Yeah, I was thinking I was reading about one where they was talking about like it reverses the polarity over and over and over at such a high rate of speed.
Yeah.
That's how it does it. Like it just like when you create electromagnetic.
Yeah.
But it does it so quick, back and forth.
Catch that, I hope.